Hello friend, welcome to the Smart Machine YouTube channel. This video detailing about by the 11 best issue tracking software for customer support teams. So let's start my video. The 11 best issue tracking software for customer support teams. Virtually every customer support and software engineering teams uses some kind of issues tracking software. This means that talking about the importance of issue tracking software almost feels silly, but it also highlights exactly how critical is to get your issue tracking solution right. There is a wide range of tools available which can make it thought to find which one that the right fit for your organization. If you are looking for learn more about the best issue tracking tools available today, this article will highlight the many different types of trackers and some of the best software for each use cases. What is issue tracking software? Issue tracking software, also known as a bug or ticket tracking software, and is central to your entire customer support team's process as customer reach out for support. These tools are the primary way you track the volume and severity of issue and request. The right issue tracker makes everything easier to wrong with introduce tons of unnecessary frictions to your support operations. Your issue or bugs tracker is your core piece of building effective customer feedback loops that enable you to consistently improve your product and your customers' experience. How does issue tracking software work? Thought the specific user experience will vary depending on the type of tool you choose. Issue tracking software is the core usually work the same way. A customer of user submit is the issue via the channel link like via email or chat. The issue is the document in the ticket or tag within the tracking system. The ticket or task move thought the support or development teams issues the resolutions process each step captured in the tracking software. On the issue is resolved, the ticket or task is closed, and the responsible party reach out of the person who reported the issue and lets them know the end result. Thought out the process above, the status of the issue is visible to everyone on the team, making it easy for folks to step in the ease bottlenecks to provide customer update along the way. What kind of request is issue tracking software used for? While the record issue probably makes you think of some things negative of the unnecessary the case when it comes to a customer receive your software development. Software of the development teams need to monitor all feedback, be it good or bad, so that they can take action on the information. Issue taking the tracking software make you sure that valuable information can be organized and addressed and not lost in the shuffle of daily work. Below are some of the ways issue tracking software can help teams monitor both positive and negative user reports. For tracking the bad outage and bug tracking. Although the large scale outage in your product world announced itself quite quickly and clearly smaller software bugs might not be obviously obvious, especially if you have multiple people hearing from customers about them. If your team doesn't have a central place of the create bugs report, it will be harder to recognize it's a particular issues caused by not say one customer's browser setting. Bug tracking system and issue management tools help customers service and terms understand how many people are experiencing an issue and identify your fix thus outage and team customers for log and thought. Even for tracking the good and futures report the customers feedbacks and while resolving the customers and natives and tag them the deadlines even customer satisfactions and the futures they have asked the carry and the above the baseline and they last having the ship and another day the futures. Type of issue tracking software. There are a number of different ways to approach issue tracking. Dedicated to bug tracking the tools and help scouts best issue tracking software of delighting customers. Help Scout is a powerful and intuitive customer support platform with all the features you expect, like a share inbox and knowledge base the functionality. Help Scout can also be an essential piece of your issue tracking system. Turn quickly update customers. How quickly they are where the magic of Help Scout tracking and workflows features come in. Let's say a lot of customers are writing about heaven forbid bug is there about a mobile app you supports and per month. Jira, best issue tracking software for teams looking for a dedicated issue tracker. Once powerful tools you can easily link with support platform help like the Scout is Jira is one of the most well established player is the issues and management game, and it likely integrate with many other tools and its many stacks too. Price free trial and plan available. Paid plan start at $8.15 user per month. Trello, best issue tracking software for clean visual issue management. Trello is a primarily known for one things and they're doing that one things very well. Many teams keep productivity high. The red Trello straightforward Kanban board views is can be satisfying to drag a card into a dawn column, but Trello doesn't stop. The key features includes additional few types of provide a few different and types of examples and each the conversations to card. That means is the trackings at the request Trello is ClickUp best issue tracking software robust and project management. If you want a full and object project management tool for project tracking the customer issues, especially is the GitHub best issue tracking software for keep issue code in the same place. Bug requires your engineer teams in the dig to product code is the can certainly make sense to house your issue and your code right here next to each other. You can do that the GitHub. GitHub is a known for its version control. It is enable developers to directly link between issue. The code that changes price, free trial and plan. Available paid plan start at say $33.67 per user per each month. Notion, best issue tracking software for a highly customizable all-in-one solution. Notion has plenty of templates to offer, but they can also make the slightly scary but mostly exciting decision. They start with the plan page, the word from the you can build a lots of different application as a build apply organization. Use Notion as the mixed documentations, Zoho bug tracker, best issue tracking software for collaboration, and Zoho suite users. Zoho might be best at CRM at the support tool. Zoho Dash in the suite best bug tracking software certainly is the fans to Zoho big tracker is the files and tracking, which means it's built as group up with features specific to that purpose. But default views as a field that bug tracker are helpful and useful. Bugs pricing free trial is a plan available. Paid plan start at $3 user per month. Asana, best issue tracking software for goals tracking. If you are looking for another project management style issue trackers, HappyFox best issue tracking software for phone software. HappyFox is a customer service ticketing system. Is the part help desk part project managing software. Customers can report issue through several channels includes email and social agents. Price free trial events. The plan start $29 agent per month. 5 agents minimum required. Freshdesk, best issue tracking software for entire enterprise customer service. Freshdesk could be a great choice for enterprise customer service team. Is the customer support the same problem. Price, the free trial is plan available. Paid plan start at $15 agent per month. Backlog, best issue tracking software for small teams. While is graded more towards development and product managers, for small teams where your sport and still manage in a standard emails land for where the developers are personally managing issues report. Backline could be a good option. The tools Kanban board is the get and breakdown charts are helpful for visually tracking the team's work and create issue templates to help standardize issue the create and ensure to always have the information necessary to get the job done. You can also create issue and via the emails and pricing free email to brand travelable plan. Paid plan start at $35 per month. Manage of issue tracking systems and issues improve customers accuracy reporting systems and plan is the support every leader's issues tracking and essentially a parts of regardless and which of gives help scouts a try today with a free trial. सो आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।